Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new around here, I'm Amy and I love coloured pencils, so much so that is the focus of this channel. Today I'm going to share with you a great tip for developing and analysing the contrasts and values in your drawings. I'm always raving about getting the contrasts right, adjusting those lights and darks, and that's because it's absolutely key to creating a realistic three-dimensional looking piece. Because without those correct values, your piece can look really flat. But this tip hopefully will help you avoid that. When you're looking at a coloured image, it's often really hard to see the different tones and where they might need adjusting on your piece. So my little trick is to actually turn your coloured image into grayscale or black and white. This is really easy to do within any photo editing software, and even if you don't have access to anything like Photoshop, GIMP or any of those programs, there are actually places you can edit your photos for free on the good old interwebs. So let's look at an example. I usually use Photoshop for all of my edits, but for today I'm showing you one of those free sites you can use so you can see just how easy and accessible it is to do this. The link to the website and everything is in the description below for you. So I like to do this in two ways. The first is to just turn the reference photo black and white and analyse the tones and everything that way. This makes it really easy to see where you need to add those shadows and highlights, and you eliminate a lot of the mid-tone values which can often confuse and overload your eyes. It's so much easier to evaluate your piece in this way, and I recommend that you do this multiple times throughout your drawing, not just at the beginning or the end to make adjustments. When working from a black and white image, you can deepen your dark tones and create a really dimensional piece, and this is something I strongly recommend that you do with each of your pieces if you don't do it already. The second way is to turn both the reference and the current state of your drawing into grayscale. If I'm struggling with creating depth, I will take a photo of my drawing, I'll upload it to my computer and then apply that grayscale filter. And I do this with the reference as well, and I directly compare the two to see precisely where I need to either darken, lighten or even change a few things. Sometimes it's not until you do this that you actually realise just how off your values actually are, and adding the required adjustments which you can see on the screen makes for a much more appealing piece. If you don't happen to have access to a computer, there's a great little app that you can use called Snapseed, which you can use to turn your reference and your drawing into black and white and compare the two. This app is really easy to use, and it's also a great pocket photo editor as well. Using this little drawing hack will help you really level up not only your coloured pencil work but also any other art forms. This tip is amazing for graphite, watercolour, basically any art form where you need to create an element of realism. This is a tip that will help you achieve that. That's pretty much all that I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you apply this to your future work. Let me know in the comments below how you got on using this technique, and are there any of you that actually use this already? If you like this video, make sure you give it a super big thumbs up, and if you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button and join the world of everything coloured pencil. I release a new video every single Friday, and I also live stream most Sundays, and it would be great to have you join the family. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I will see you next week. Bye!